5th of January, and it's Brass Monkey Run Day. And we're here at the Vic Bikers Pub with the landlord, Mr. John. Comments?
Thanks, John. Mate. Hi, thanks for coming.
John.
See you, Chin. Sorry. With you in a minute. It's okay, keep going.
I'll edit that bit out. Hi, John. Can you tell us a little bit about the Brass Monkey Run? How long it's been going and what you're actually collecting for?
We're collecting we collect all the time for Rainbows Children's Hospice in Loughborough.
Yeah.
We started the run in 1994.
94.
We used to meet at Marketing Park in Derby and go to Matlock.
Yeah.
But when I came here to the pub in 99, I thought, why not do it from here? So it's been running here from 99, so it's 20 years from here, isn't it?
Fabulous.
We raise money for charity. Rainbow Children's Hospice, as I said. I stuttered then, didn't I?
It's all right. We'll let you off.
And so all the weather today is really good.
It is good, yeah. And also, you may have recognised John from some Canary Islands tour videos. So that's where I met John. Carol and I met John. So we
go every year, don't we? We meet up there in December.
We do.
I'm lucky that I can sneak off a few other times.
So anyway, I'll give you a quick glimpse around John's venue here, and it's a big venue for live music, isn't it, John? You have bands on pretty much every weekend, don't you? Yeah. So I'll just give you a little nosy round. Give you a quick look in the back here. It's a bit dark in the back here, but hey.
Don't forget the picture gallery. Oh, sorry, the vault passage.
The what? There's been some bands on in here. It's very dark, but got an outside area here now as well. Anyway, I'll catch up with you guys outside. Anyway guys, we're on the road and we're out from the Vic. Nice sprint there, isn't there? Very nice. Yeah, they are. They're really nice. Well looked after one, that one is.
Bloody hell, fire! It was bang out of order being in that left lane there. Watch this guy coming up, right? Okay, right, you're clear now. Hell, he should have turned left there, that car, rather than cut across all the traffic. In front of all them bikers, he could have cleared up. I know, it was close, that was. Yeah, left down it sounds about right. Yeah, I like his flashy lights. Well guys, for the sake of the video, we are in Newtown, Linford, and just behind us is the entrance to Bradgate Park, which is a popular park for anybody that lives near Leicester. Got some historic buildings in amongst the middle of it. Carol and I were walking up there a couple of days ago, so it is a nice place to come for a walk. There's a lot of deer roaming free up there, so let's hope none of them are on the road. And if you go back the way we came and just past that crossroads is the main entrance into Bradgate Park, and there's miles and miles of walking. Yeah, and that end down there there's some really nice cafes, so well worth a visit. And if I can, I'll put a picture of this route up on the video, so if you do want to come and have a look, have a ride of it when it's not so busy, then maybe come next year. I'm sure that they'll all be pleased to see you. They're a nice bunch here at the Vic. You can walk up to that tower up there as well. There's like a turret up there as well, isn't there, Carol? She says yes. Chilly with the visor up, and we're talking about 8 degrees at the moment, so that's pretty good for a brass monkey run, and the roads are dry, which is pretty unusual for a January in England. It's been it is the best riding day since Carol and I got back from Spain. Yeah, it's nice. I think we would have come out, wouldn't we, for a ride today anyway. Yeah, we're not really into group riding, but it's for a good cause, and we know John quite well, obviously, because we ride with him in Gran Canaria. He's a friend, so we'll come support it today. It might be an SV 650. Big lake over there, look. Nanpanton Reservoir, eh? Well, that's where we are, guys. Nanpanton Reservoir. Very, very nice view for us. Right, regroup guys, regroup. Back on the road again. Quite a view actually, we've got both ways. There must be 50 bikers in front of us and roughly the same behind. Guy behind me's got all his yellow flashy lights on. God. Yeah. Car on that junction's thinking, what the? Well, you can see his headlights back as far as you can look. Whenever you're ready. Marshall behind you. Right guys, well, we're very nearly back at Vic. Hope you've enjoyed coming for a little ride with us. It's a good day. Everybody's behaved themselves pretty much, and hopefully everybody's back safe and sound, and we've made a bit of money for Rainbows. So hopefully and might be soup and a roll, but we'll see.